Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I will teach you on how to copy a file in a directory in Linux operating system. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. In this example, I will create a file using command touch. Let's say for example resume.txt. Press the enter key. When we issue the ls command, there is already a file called resume.txt. Now, the next thing that I will do is to create a directory. Issue a command mkdir, let's say files. Now, when we want to copy a file, it doesn't mean the file that we copy is already removed in the root directory. It will duplicate itself to the directory that we have created. So we will issue a command to copy a file, cp space resume.txt to files. Press the enter key from our keyboard. When we issue a command ls, we have here the directory files, we have resume.txt. So when we want to check whether the resume.txt is already in the files directory, cd space files ls. Okay, we have already the resume.txt. So we successfully copy the file resume.txt to our directory files. So to check, we can issue the command pwd or print working directory. So we are here, home jcur files. Okay guys, so this is the end of my tutorial video on how to copy a file in a directory in Linux operating system. I hope that you learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.